spanning the globe to bring you the most accurate and up-to-date information about three-rail trains. This is What's New in O-Gauge.
Yes, this is What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at the new products for our three-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. See the video description for links to all the products mentioned in this episode. In a shameless plug, this week's episode is brought to you with limited commercial interruptions by the Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront portal. Curated from the vast Walmart.com network of retailers, here you can find handy links to hundreds of railroad and model railroad items like three-rail train sets, rolling stock, locomotives, scenery items, and even apparel and decor. There's even a special tab for items that have been featured in Toy Train Tips and Tricks videos. Follow the link in the video description, or use your smartphone and snap a photo of this QR code to visit the store. And of course, our channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links. And now to the new item. New in paperback is Scenery for Modern Switching Layouts by Lance Mindheim. The book is a deep dive into detailed scenery treatment along the industrial right-of-way and in industrial parks. It's a start-to-finish, top-to-bottom approach, starting with composition and color treatment and moving on to soils, gravel lots, grass, track, ballast, underbrush, pavement, waterways, and backdrops. Also new in paperback is The Guide to Prairie Railroading by Tony Kester. This book is filled with both modeling tips and prototype information, how to model many types of farm fields, corn, soybeans, wheat, and more, how to model various businesses common to the region such as grain elevators, oil dealers, coal dealers, and lumber yards, how railroads operated and dispatched trains on prairie railroads, and how they assigned locomotives, and so much more. Atlas O is pleased to announce the production of the premier O-scale Union Pacific Denver Rio Grande Heritage passenger cars for Train Loft of Winston-Salem, North Carolina. The cars feature the unique Union Pacific Denver and Rio Grande scheme developed for the UP Heritage SD70 Ace locomotives. The total production is extremely limited in supply and available for shipping in early 2024. The 4-car set will retail for $559.95 plus freight. Now available at authorized Lionel dealers is the Winter Wonderland Express Lion Chief set with Bluetooth and remote control. This festive set features a classic Lionel O and O steamer, Sleigh Bells and Company boxcar, whimsical winter mix tank car, and a matching caboose. Check the link in the video description for pricing and availability. Lionel Trains has announced a limited edition Christmas 2023 boxcar. The car is available online or at Lionel dealers for $84.99 or for $75 if ordered online by December 8, 2023. Follow the link in the video description for detail. Menards has released the new Calamity Caboose Works. This neat accessory simulates a caboose factory on fire, complete with LED lighting, distilled water smoke unit, a 1956 vintage lighted fire truck and figures, and the accessory is now available online or in stores for $89.99 before rebates. Now in stock from Train World are 2 exclusive MTH Rail King O-Gauge EMD SW1200 diesel locomotives in unique New York, New Jersey colors. Each locomotive is limited in production and is now available for $399.99 each, plus freight. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive premier O-scale 3-bay cylindrical hopper car in unique Bex Hybrids colors for Mr. Muffin's Trains in Atlanta, Indiana. The cars will be produced in 2 car numbers in extremely limited quantities. They will be available for delivery beginning in March 2024. The early order price is $69.95 plus freight. And speaking of cylindrical hoppers, MTH has announced an exclusive Rail King O-Gauge 4-bay cylindrical hopper car in a Western Maryland flag scheme for the Community Model Railroad Club in Western Maryland. The hopper car will be featured in limited quantities with an anticipated arrival date of February 2024. The early order price is $70 plus freight. And the Hopper Car Parade continues as MTH has announced an exclusive Rail King 4-bay cylindrical hopper in a distinctive Southern map scheme for the Train Loft. The cars will be produced in 2 car numbers in extremely limited quantities. They will be available for delivery beginning in February 2024. The pre-order price is $69.95. MTH Trains has announced an exclusive and uncataloged Rail King O-Scale 060 Imperial USRA steam switcher in 2 special Christmas schemes for Train World in Brooklyn, New York. The locomotives will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in December 2023. The early order price is $499.99 each. Also, for your holiday layout, MTH has produced an exclusive Jingle Bell Junction lighted station for retailer Legacy Station. This festive feature retails for $99.99. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing 2024 O-Scale Premier Steel-Sided stock cars in Pennsylvania, Baltimore, Ohio, Santa Fe, Union Pacific, Denver and Rio Grande, and Canadian Pacific colors. Each of these offerings will be available in 2 car numbers in limited quantities and is expected to begin shipping in June 2024. The cars will retail for $74.95 each at your local MTH dealer. And don't forget to visit our new Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from the links on this channel, so you can find the item you want and support our channel at the same time. Remember to check out our latest long-form video every Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. That's all for this week. We at Toy Train Tips and Tricks wish a happy and blessed Thanksgiving to each of you and your families. And thanks for watching.